Hello everyone, in this video I'll try to explain what is linguistic and introduction to linguistic. Okay, first is, what is linguistic? Linguistic is a science study of human language. Why human language? Because human language is very complex, is very mysterious. Why I can say like that? Because not only just human that are communicate and have language, but others have language too, like ants, like bird, even crocodile in literal meaning, right? Okay, so how can I say there is complex and mysterious? Because animal language is conventional, just like sederhana. Mereka itu punya bahasa yang sederhana, yang hanya dimengerti oleh hewan-hewan yang mungkin percakapannya itu kita mengerti adalah react and respond. Mereka berkomunikasi ketika ada sesuatu, mereka merespon dan memberitahu kepada yang lainnya. Tapi manusia, it's more complex. Mereka bahkan bisa berbahasa, bisa mengeluarkan yang namanya bahasa tubuh, dan itu tuh sangat kompleks dibandingkan dengan hewan itu sendiri, bukan? It's like I said before that human language is a very mysterious and very complex, right? Okay, and then why linguistic? Why we need to know about linguistic? Because we are such as human need to understand our language, and then how the complexity, and then what is different and similarity between us language, what is the combination make new shape on the language, and how we understand the language itself and the effect on ourselves because of the linguistic itself. Yes, and that's why we need to linguistic and stand for linguistic to understandable, and we need to learn about it. Just like complex, what is the meaning of the complex? That mean complex, that mean the human linguistic can break down into the smallest unit that animal language don't have. Difference and similarity. Of course, we know that our language have a various type of language in this world, like English, Indonesian, Japanese, Russian, and etc. But once we want to know that what is the difference and what's the similarity among these languages, and what's combination make this language into new things, or maybe new things, and new things become the language itself, and how we understand this complexity, the difference and the similarity, the combination, how we need to understand this, and what the effect on us. Okay, next slide is about analysis linguistic. Analysis linguistic means to analyze human language. What need to analyze? How can we analyze human language? Like I said before, right? That complexity means to break down the unit into the smallest unit that us will do in this analysis linguistic, or linguistic analysis, sorry. Okay, so analisis linguistik itu kan memecah bagian-bagian dari subunit linguistik ini menjadi bagian-bagian terkecil yang akan sampai level paling basic, level paling dasar dari linguistik sendiri. As a pair of forms and meaning, itu adalah sepasang dari bentuk sama arti katanya. Bisa kita lihat di slide presentasinya, ini adalah linguistic signal sama meaning. Linguistic signal ini dimana bisa berupa kata atau huruf, just like S-U-N in sun, we pronounce sun, sun. We know that is the form of the sun, and the meaning we know that is the big ball that's shining, right? So that's what is the calling of linguistic analysis in the basic level. And then Okay, that is the basic levelnya. We need to move a word to the sentences, like this word: the sun rises in the east every morning. But we can analyze that is the sun for the noun praise, rises as the verb praise, in as a preposition praise, the east as a noun praise, every morning as an adverb praise. Okay, there's two big praise in the sentences: noun praise and verb praise. The sun rises is a noun praise, in the east every morning is the verb praise. You know this noun, verb, preposition, adverb first to have ability to analyze this subunit. Next, okay, we need to want to break down into the smallest unit again from the sentences, full sentences. The sun rises in the east every morning, into the sun rises in the east every morning, and then into the sun rises in the east every morning, into the form of phoneme forms. The sun rises in the east every morning. Wow, it's complex, right? We need to know from this how this complexity begin. Okay, from the previous analysis, we know the hierarchy of linguistic analysis. What is that? We know the sentences formed by phrases, then phrases formed by word. Okay, then word formed by morpheme, and morpheme formed by the features. What does this mean, Via? Okay, this means features in the basic level of the linguistic lead us to the phonology and phonetic. What's that? Okay, calm down. I will try to explain in the next video. Morpheme and the word lead us to the morphology, and word and phrase lead us to syntaxes. Okay, calm down. We don't explain this in the one video, okay? Just to introduction to linguistic. Next, so forward, and what's goal of this linguistic introduction? First, to analyze human language scientifically. That language can be used science to work. I'll use Indonesia. Jadi sebenarnya bahasa ini bisa dipelajari, bisa diolah secara sains, karena kan tadi itu sendiri bahwa bahasa itu bisa di breakdown, bisa dipecah-pecah menjadi unit terkecil, dan itu punya artinya masing-masing. Okay, to understand how language start. Jadi kita tahu bahwa bahasa itu sebenarnya mulai dari mana, mulai dari hal-hal terkecil sampai kita paham, oh artinya ini yang sebelumnya kita tidak ketahui. Frontier science ini juga bagian dari sains, yang mana sains itu kan sistematis, punya teori, punya kesimpulan, punya landasan-landasannya, dan punya penjelasan atas apa, kenapa, bagaimana, dan lain sebagainya. Find and understand the complicated it is, and after that the highlighter is to find and understand the complexity of the human language itself. Okay, we move to the conclusion. What is human language then? Human language is communicatively. What does that mean? To communicate. We need to communicate with other by the language. Semanticity. What is the meaning of the semanticity? Semanticity means we need to break down that is have related meaning with semantic, and the cultural transmission that in the fact we don't born to be Indonesian, we don't born to be English native, but We born by the cultural transmission. We learn language that our parents teach us when as a baby, and that's what we call about cultural transmission. Displacement. What is mean by the displacement? Displacement mean language is a flexible, language is not kaku, dan bahasa itu artinya bahwa kamu tuh nggak harus memetakan satu hal ini benar-benar sebaku itu. Jadi bisa sangat-sangat elasticity about the human language areas and productivity. Bagaimana satu kata bisa dijadikan beberapa kalimat, bagaimana satu huruf, satu morfem membentuk satu morfem, membentuk satu makna. Itu tuh merupakan productivity of human language itself, right? Okay, so that's the ending of this video. I hope you can understand what is linguistic. It's a very interesting subject and the subfield I want to explain in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.